Hello, my name is Owen Kasule Mhereza, and this is my project to API demo. Here is my API deployed live on render, just like you can see here in the URL. So these endpoints have this padlock icon, meaning that you need authorization to access them. Let's try one without authorization and we see if it can run. Execute. When we execute, we get this error message. Let's also try one among the items. Try it out. Execute. Same error message. So let's try with authorization and we see if there will be a change. So this is prompting me to log in using my Google email. Now it shows that I'm signed in and it's protected. So let's try the same endpoints we ran and we see if there will be a difference. You see our last code we got. So now if we execute, it actually runs perfectly. So let's try to create a new item here and we see if it will run. Try. So I'm gonna create a new item and I'm going to call it iPhone 26 iPhone 26, and I'll price it at this amount, and in stock also we have 500 of them, and I will execute with AI advanced features. When I execute, so this is iPhone 26. I'm just creating it now. You see, item created successfully. So let's try to see among the list of items and see if it's listed there. Items, execute. So we are targeting to see iPhone 26. This is iPhone 26. You see, it has been created successfully. So let me sign out and we see if we can still get the same results. Logout. So now I'm logged out. I'm gonna run the very API we just ran. You see we last got 200 as the endpoint, as the code. So you see now that I'm logged out, we have no access, meaning that our authorization is working well and perfectly. Thank you very much.